Hi. Okay. Hi friends. Today we will learn about Excel. Excel is the program which we can calculate age, time, sum, average and date. Function are sum if, trunk function if function, and Excel is also for business bank accounting. So okay, let's start it. So when you want to open Excel, first type window R. Type Excel and okay, so Excel will open for you. Okay, when you open when you open the program, this type of page will open for you. Okay, this is quick access toolbar. No, this is caption button, sorry. And this is title, and this is quick access toolbar, and these are tabs. Okay, so first tab is file. Okay, info. This is protect documents to control what type of change in play people can make to this workbook. Okay, and this is mark as final. Let read know that workbook is final and mark it read only. You can't uh, you can't text on anything. You can't add workbook. You can't do nothing on workbook. Okay, so let's mark as final. This workbook will be marked as final and then saved. Okay, so let's save my workbook. Save. Yes. Okay, now this workbook is marked as final. I can't edit anything on it. And if you want to edit, click edit anyway. And if you want to add a password, select incorrect password. Require a password to open this workbook. When you open the workbook, it will be need to add password. So write a password. Okay. Okay. Okay, now let's save this book. Save. Now open the Excel which I have saved. It will be need password 1 2 3. Here the password. Enter password, then enter to this book. Closed. Okay, and if you want to protect the current sheet, control what type of changes people can make to current sheet. Protect current sheet. 1 2. Okay, 1 2. Okay. Okay, now this sheet is protected. Give me a password. Give me a password. And if you want to unprotect this, go to file tab and unprotect the sheet and type same password. Okay. uh, what happened? 1 second. Oh, alright. The password is required to open this. Okay, sorry, I didn't tell about this password. If you want to remove this, type this and delete it, then okay. Now it is right. Protect workbook structure. Okay, 1 2. Okay, again tap 1 2. Okay, now the workbook is protected. You you people can delete or move and can add. Okay, so now let's come to the structure of the window has been locked. Prevent unwanted changes such as moving, deleting and adding sheets. Alright, so was the protect workbook. Okay, so if you want to unprotect this, go to file and go to info protect workbook, go to the same page and add a same enter same password. Okay, now you can go on. Okay, now second, this is inspect workbook to check off for issue what you have issue for this Excel. Check in, check out and recover, and there is no unsaved changes. Okay, this is manage workbook, recover unsaved, so you can recover these unsaved workbooks. Welcome to the new. This is new place. Here you can add. Here can you select templates, cards, anything you can want it. Okay. This is okay. So these are saved workbooked. Okay. When you want to if you want to open a book, you can also come here here and open the book. Okay, and you can also share on OneDrive. Okay, and you can open on one PC, this PC, and you can add place. No internet connection. Okay, you can browse your safe book. Okay, now it is book 1. Open. I open it. The book is already open. Cause any change may discover you want to reopen. Yes. Okay, 1 2. Okay, my was protected. Let me remove this passport, man. Thank you. Now it's safe. Open. So here you can also do it. Okay, and save. You can save worksheet. Okay, type save and save as you want. If you want to save on document, you can save on document. If you want to save on desktop, you can also save on the desktop. And print, this is a print sheet. Here you can print your sheet in every page you can want to print. I don't have any printer. This print machine. Okay, and this you can also share and save to cloud, and you can also email, and you can also export or change file type, and you can also publish to share with anyone. Okay, so this was file tab, and let's come to the home tab. Okay, so first of all we will learn about clipboard. Here you can cut and paste and add and add cut and paste anything in a clipboard. For example, I select this, cut and paste. Okay,